All right, and we're talking about the signs, and it's all about the signs with positive and negative numbers. And when do you use these 5 rules? Use them whenever you see a negative or a subtraction. These rules apply. So we'll go through this, and it may be a little bit time consuming, but we will go through it. All right, for adding and subtracting, we're going to be using these 3 rules: same signs, different signs, or double signs. And double signs used often. All right, so same signs, that would be both positive or both negative. So you would add the digits. So number 1 is add the digit, and then you add the sign. So we'd have -4 minus 8, which is the same thing, -4, -8. So you add the digits and add the sign. So -4 minus 8 is -12. That would be like, I owe my mama $4 and I borrowed another $8. Now I owe my mama $12. And the same thing for the same signs, although you're very familiar with this. You have a +4, even though it's understood, plus 8. So 4 plus 8. You add the digits, which is 12, and you add the sign. But you don't really need it. I'm just putting it in there. And if you have different signs, like one positive and one negative, you would subtract the digits and take the sign of the larger digit. Example, -4 plus 8. One's negative, one's positive. So you subtract the digits. So 8 minus 4 would be 4. And this 8 takes it because it's a larger digit, so it's +4. This would be like, I owed my mama $4 and I paid her back $8. Now I have a surplus of $4 for my mama. And the next one would be like +4, -8. Of course, you'd never see something like +4, but it really is a +4. But it's different signs. One's positive, one's negative. And so in this case, you would subtract the digits, which is 4, and the 8 takes it again because it's a larger digit, so it is -4. So that would be like, I have $4 in my pocket, and I wanted to spend $8, but I'm short $4. Bummer, huh? Well, the third thing you can do with adding and subtracting is you'll see a lot of times with double numbers, double signs rather. And a double sign would be like, so you're going to change 2 positives to 1 positive, or 2 negatives to 1 positive, or positive negative to a negative, and a negative positive to a negative. Very rarely will you see this one or this one. So we're really looking at these two. So you'll see things like written like this, and I didn't give an example. Sorry, I will do it now. So -3 plus a -4. And so you're going to turn this here. This is a positive negative, so you're going to turn those 2 signs into a negative. So then you bring down the rest of the story, and you get -3 minus 4. Well, now, those are the same signs, so you're going to travel up here to the same signs, and add the digits and add the sign. All right, and let's look at another example on the negatives, double signs, sorry. So if I have $3 and I subtract a -4, these double signs here in the middle, and generally there's a parenthesis in there for a clue. So that would be right here. And so negative and negative is a positive because it's the opposite of a negative. So you have 3 plus 4. You add the digits. You subtract the digits. No. It is, you add the digits. Sorry about that. And it is a +7. So you add the digits and add the sign if you need to. All right. Sorry about that confusion, but please go over that because you'll see a lot of double signs. And multiply and divide is over here. And this one here is generally easier than adding and subtracting numbers. And multiplying and dividing is you just multiply and divide as usual. And then you're going to count the number of negative signs. If the number is odd, like 1 or 3 negative signs, the answer is negative. If the number of negatives is even, the answer is positive. Examples, I'm going to put them up on top. Examples, -4 times -5. Well, we're going to multiply the 4 times 5 and we get 20. There are 2, that's an even number, so the answer is positive. And if I go like, let's say 4 times negative 5, you still multiply 4 times 5 and you get 20, but there's only one negative, so the answer is negative. And you can do the same thing for dividing. Kind of running out of space, so I'm going to come down into this corner here. Can you follow me? Right over here. And it is, let's say we have negative 20 divided by 5. Well, we divide like normal. 20 divided by 5 is 4. There's one negative, so it's a negative 4 because it's an odd number. And there you go. I hope that helps. Thank you.